Bismillamon ender Pular English. You welcome in Pular English. Windande men hande ko I'm hungry, Mbide Heydi, it's cold, ene ɓuuɓi, etc. E ko way non. I'm hot, Mbide wula. I'm cold, Mbide janga. I'm hot, Mbide wula. Can I open the window? Can I open the window? Est-ce que mbede wawi udidde fenêtre o? Are you cold? Are you cold? Mbele ka a jangaɗo? I'm hungry. Mbede heydi. I'm thirsty. Mbede ɗomɗi. I'm not hungry. Mi heydani. I'm not thirsty. Mi ɗomɗani. I'm right. Mbede gonɗi. I'm wrong. Komi jumɗo. You are always right. An ko a nunɗuɗo. You are wrong. Ko a jumɗo. I'm afraid. Mi huli. Why is Samba afraid of dogs? Sababu nde hulɗum Samba ene hula dawaɗi. I'm afraid of dogs. Mi susa dawaɗi. I'm afraid of dogs. Susa dawaɗi. Hutora sa yiɗi haalde ko fati e duuɓi. Kutortoɗa ko verbe to be. Ampuluwaji ɗiɗo kutortoɗa am, is, are. I'm 23. Dañmi ko duuɓi 23. Walla kadi aɗa wawi wiide I'm 25 years old. Jaranmi ko duuɓi 25. My grandmother is 74. Mamam debbo yarata ko duuɓi 74. How old are you? No photo in duuɓi ma. I'm interested in. Mbede hatojini e. I'm interested in politics. Mbede hatojini e politique. Mas isn't very interested in music. Mas isn't very interested in music. Mas hatujinani no fewi e music. Are you interested in knowledge? Are you interested in knowledge? Bele ada hatujini e gandal. Keep learning. Keep learning. Jokku jangde. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please share and subscribe, click the like button and comment below if you have any question. See you next time. Bye.